So, okay, guys, what we're going to do first is I got to get in here and I got to cut this invasive stuff out of here. Wiry, daggone, huckleberry. Excuse me, honeysuckle. Bush honeysuckle, some call it. Or there's another name for it. I forgot what it is. But I got to get these cut back out of the way so I can get in there with the tractor this coming year. I got to cut them. I got to cut these out of here. The fence is way back there, so it's a long, tedious process. But and then we're going to cut down a couple of these trees here, these bigger trees. They shouldn't be in here. I need to get them out of here. So y'all just hang on here. I'll be right back. So I got a pretty good sharpening on the saw, so I'm going to get to work on this right now, guys. I also cut this multiflora rose here. Nasty stuff. Look at that.